Hey crypto kids, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be an extremely important video because in the past 24 hours, so many interesting events have been happening. Now, I was debating with myself if I should make a video last night or if I should wait until this morning to see how things play out and its impact on the price. Now, I do have a very cool pattern on the shorter term time frame also, and additionally, on the macro, we have the Wyckoff pattern. And of course, breaking news. Now, ladies and gents, if you want to be seeing all of this stuff and much more, please do make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of these Bitcoin updates during volatile times like this, because honestly, like just stuff can happen like this and you can miss out on it. So, ladies and gents, I'm CryptoKid, I'm 16, and let's jump into the video because there is a lot we need to cover. Now, first thing is first, Bitcoin is forming a bullish pennant on the 1 and 4 hourly time frames. Now, I do want to be opening a short-term trade, but on the macro, I kind of do not want to. So just for now, I'm going to place a very risk-managed, a very conservative trade on Bitflex to see if we can fulfill this parallel channels target of $37,000. So on the short term, I will be opening a trade right now. Again, it's going to be extremely risk managed, and I'm going to be showing you the parameters also. So I'm going to be opening a market position. My stop loss is going to be extremely tight. I want to do it to like, $33,900. If it stops out, then so be it, right? But the take profit is going to be at $37,000 just in case, because with the DTCC, we missed out on the previous move because when the news came out, there wasn't much impact on the price, and Bitcoin was at like 30. It wasn't changing much. And then when I slept, I woke up, we were at 34K. So just to take advantage of this in the short term, if we see a break, it will be perfect. If we don't, then we have a very well risk managed trade. So I want to open a market order. And this is my personal trade, of course. Please do your own research and your own TA before trading or investing. Super important. Just 10% of this current portfolio I have on this account. Very small. Confirm. And my take profit is going to be at $37,000. And my stop loss is going to be at, I believe it was $33,930. So very well risk managed. It will be a very cool trade if it works out. So we'll just place it just in case. But ladies and gents, if you do want to be trading, by the way, you can head over to the description below. With Bitflex, we have a very cool campaign. If you deposit just 50 USDT, make one derivatives trade, you'll be qualified to be potentially winning 1,000 USDT by the 1st of November. And with Bybit too, we have some very cool bonuses and a campaign going on. Check the right-hand section. So if you do want to be trading, go to the description below and you can also trade on Bitflex. Now, this is the first thing, but looking at the macro scale, we do have Wyckoff. I will talk about this, but I first want to get into the very crazy news. So last night, as you guys know, right, we saw the DTCC listing the Bitcoin IBTC, the BlackRock Spot ETF, onto their website. Now, if you guys don't know what the DTCC is, basically how it works is when a broker, actually when there is an ETF, right, and there's a person that wants to purchase the ETF, it kind of links them together. It kind of, gives the ETF ownership to the person purchasing it and the funds to the ETF owner. It's kind of like the middleman, and it processes trillions of dollars worth of transactions. So when it was listed on the DTCC, everyone's like, okay, the ETF approval is coming very soon. Hence, we saw the pump towards the upside. But what happened was, last night, the ETF was removed from the DTCC's list, and then the website went down, which was very crazy. And because it went down, there was some panic, and I was like, you know what, let's wait it out a little bit. That's why I waited to make this video until today morning. Guess what? Just an hour ago, it's back on the DTCC website. The website is now functional, and alongside that, ARK Invest's ETF has also been added, which is why in the short term we may see a little bit of a pump, but let's see about that. So it's been a pretty crazy turn of events, actually. It feels like it doesn't feel real. It feels like there's some more stuff behind it, but look, it is what it is. It just feels very manipulated in my opinion, but we don't have hard proof evidence to confirm this. That is why we just got to take it as it is. Now, another interesting information that just came through is Kathy Wood, the owner of ARK Invest, actually took profit on some of her holdings with the 34K pump. It says that she divested from 42,613 Coinbase shares and 100,739 Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares. So again, something to consider. Now the website is back up. It was probably overloaded from the inflow of all the crypto people, which is normal for it to be going down, or it could be orchestrated also. Who knows, right? Who knows? We can't comment on it because, again, we don't have hard proof evidence, but it just sounds very, very interesting. So this was the first half of the video. Second half of the video, I want to discuss this Wyckoff pattern. So Wyckoff method, it's very well known in all of the traditional markets and crypto. It's usually correct. So I wanted to share it with you guys, my audience. So the way the Wyckoff works is obviously you see, price moving up in phase A, then we see some consolidation. Phase B, we make another swing high. And in phase C, we pass that swing high, consolidate a little bit, test the line of support, and then break towards the downside. Now, if I look at this weekly chart for Bitcoin, and if I remove all of the unnecessary stuff at the moment, so let's get rid of all of these call outs, let's get rid of this trend line over there, and of course, let's get rid of this bullish pennant. Now, once we see, in fact, I'm gonna hide this target also because, again, we don't need it at the moment. We literally played this out perfectly. Like, look at it. We saw Bitcoin, we were trading, we came from a move towards the upside, we made a high, then we came down, and we made a higher swing high, then we came down, and we broke out. Now we are in phase C. We're seeing some consolidation on the smaller time frames. However, this consolidation has not lasted long enough. We need to look into the next week candle and the week after that's candle to commentate on it. But it is possible that we consolidate a little bit, come back down to this level of now support at $30,600. And then, ladies and gents, if we fail through it, then we would be breaking down back to 30,000, well, actually $25,000. So it is a possibility, which is why I am considering of opening a short alongside this long too. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be opening a hedge short position. I know most of you do not like me shorting, but it is what it is, right? So I am going to be opening a hedge short position. This will have a much different target. So this, I will have a little bit more of my portfolio, about 15% of this account here, and I'm going to open a short position, confirm. And over here, I'm actually going to be having a different take profit and stop loss. So for here, my first take profit is going to be $30,650. And my stop loss is, I'm going to put it priced at 34.1 at the moment. If we break if we go a little bit higher, I think then I will probably close it. So let's just have a look in the chart just to make sure. So let me first get rid of all of these lines. And once I get rid of all of these lines, we can see that, if we go above like $35,300, I will close this trade most likely. So I'm going to put it at $35,140. Again, it's a very cool risk managed trade, and I'm going to press confirm. So again, short hedge position, immediate short-term long position. These are the only two trades I'm having at the moment. Let's see how it plays out. If the Wyckoff plays out, of course, it'll be very much more profitable for me and you guys. If you want to take it again, you can go over to the description below and sign up to either both of these exchanges or one of them. We have some pretty cool bonuses, so check that out. But let's see how things work out. But interestingly enough, there has been some pretty weird turn of events the past 24 hours. I just wanted to document on that and let you guys know what my next moves are. But ladies and gents, I'm CryptoKid. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, ladies and gents. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Take care, guys, and bye-bye.